Welcome to Read Aloud with Rara. Rara Story Time is a fun time. Subscribe and don't miss the stories. Diwali, the festival of lights. The stories of Diwali. The story is narrated for you by Rara. Illustration Vignesh Saravanan. Editing Vignesh Govindaraj. Diwali, the festival of lights, is celebrated by Indians living around the world with great enthusiasm. This festival symbolizes unity as people from most religions celebrate this festival. Deep means light and Vali means series of lamp lit in rows. It signifies warding off the darkness from our homes. Diwali is India's biggest festival, which symbolizes the power of good over evil, light over darkness, and kindness and empathy over cruelty. Diwali brings togetherness. On Diwali day, we wear new dresses, burst crackers, prepare and eat delicious laddus and many other sweets. We exchange not just Diwali wishes, but our homemade dishes too. We spend time with our friends and family. You should also know the stories of Diwali. There are few mythological stories associated with Diwali celebrations. Let us see a few of them. The story of Asura King Naragasura. This is the Diwali story of South India. Narak Chaturdashi. This is the day when the Asura king Naragasura was slain and is celebrated as Diwali by us. Varaha Avadar was one of the 10 incarnations of Lord Vishnu. During the Varaha Avatar period, Naragasura was born to goddess Bhuma Devi and Lord Vishnu. Goddess Bhuma Devi, who loved a son, prayed to Lord Brahma, who is well known for his generosity to grant boons to his profound devotees. Bhuma Devi went to Brahma to seek a boon from him. My son should be powerful and have a long life. Lord Brahma fulfilled Bhuma Devi's wishes and blessed that Naragasura would be powerful and can be killed only by his mother. After taking over all the kingdoms on earth, the Asura king Naragasura attacked and tortured Devaloka, Indra and his demigods, and also kidnapped women. His atrocities became intolerable. The demigods surrendered at Lord Vishnu's feet and asked him to save them from Naragasura. To save Devaloka and demigods, Lord Vishnu incarnated as Lord Krishna and was born on earth. And Bhuma Devi, the mother of Naragasura, was born as Satyabhama. Bhuma Devi, born as Satyabhama, wife of Lord Krishna, was not aware that a son was Naragasura. When Satyabhama heard about the cruel acts of Naragasura, she agreed to go with Lord Krishna as his charioteer to kill Naragasura. Lord Krishna knew that Naragasura can be killed only by his mother Bhuma Devi, who is now born as Satyabhama. Asura king Naragasura attacked Lord Krishna on the battlefield. This made Satyabhama furious and she aimed an arrow at Naragasura and slew him. Asura king Naragasura, while dying, requested his mother for a boon that no one should mourn for his death and instead should celebrate this day with lights and be happy. His boon was granted and we all celebrate Diwali with lights and color. The story of return of Rama and Sita to Ayodhya. This is the Diwali story of northern and central India. Rama was the son of Dasharatha, the king of Ayodhya. Rama married Sita. Dasharatha decided to crown his son Rama, but his jealous stepmother Kaikeyi, who wanted her son Bharata to rule the kingdom, executed evil plans and exiled Rama from the Ayodhya kingdom to the forest for 14 long years. Rama, as an obedient son, agreed to go to the forest. Sita and his beloved brother Lakshman also joined him. Rama, Sita and Lakshman lived in the forest amidst the beauty and peace of nature. Ravana, the king of Lanka, now known as Sri Lanka, disguised as a sage, kidnapped Sita from the forest. Rama, with the help of Sugriva, the monkey king, his chief Hanuman and his army fought the battle and killed Ravana and brought back his wife Sita. They all returned to Ayodhya after 14 years. The people welcomed and rejoiced by lighting lamps all over the city. The day is celebrated as Diwali. The Diwali story saving goddess Lakshmi and Bali Pradipada story. Mahabali was a Rakshasa king who, out of overconfidence and excessive pride, enslaved goddess Lakshmi. Devas and demigods pleaded with Lord Vishnu to help. Lord Vishnu, incarnated as Vamana avatar, drop form, went to Mahabali disguised as a Brahmin boy. The king Mahabali, after seeing Lord Vishnu, who was in Vamana avatar, told him that he will grant whatever he wants. Lord Vishnu, who was in Vamana avatar, said, "You can't give me what I want." Pride hid his eyes. Mahabali, who was filled with pride, said, "I will give you anything you wish for. It's a promise from me." Vamana asked, "I have heard a lot about you giving alms to Brahmins. I do not want wealth or luxuries. I just need the land that my 3 footsteps cover." After saying this, his legs became lengthy and with the first footstep he covered the earth. The second step he covered the heaven, and Vamana now asked, "Now, Mahabali, where should I keep my third step?" Mahabali, who realized his stupidity, was ashamed of his actions and said, "As nothing else is left, you may keep your third step on my head." Lord Vishnu rescued Goddess Lakshmi from his captivity. Goddess Lakshmi, who is the god of wealth and prosperity, is worshipped during Diwali. Another story says, Lord Vishnu was moved by Bali's generosity and his devotion. So, he granted Bali a boon that he can return to earth and celebrate and spend time with his people for 1 day every year. This day is celebrated as Bali Pradipatha or Bali Padyami, a day after Diwali in some parts of India. Now you know some of the stories of Diwali. Homes are decorated with flowers and eye-catching and colorful rangoli. Sweets and savories are prepared at home. Nowadays, people also buy them from outside. Firecrackers are the best part of Diwali. Kids and even adults enjoy bursting crackers. Be safe and use green crackers or eco-friendly crackers which will not cause much pollution. Green firecrackers have minimal impact on the environment. Each of us going for green crackers will help to protect our environment. Use organic colors for rangoli and eco-friendly clay diyas. Though all the above stories tell us that the Diwali festival symbolizes light over darkness and good over evil, Diwali is also the best time to show love and care for others. Love everyone and share whatever you can with others. Festival is all about sharing and caring.